We've got 3 wins to choose from. We've got like 6 to the mini games, which shows off mini games. We've got a bulldozer one, which is like a point, basic point. Or we have a journey through India, the elephant expedition, which I really like to do.
What's the best one?
Well, I haven't done the bulldozer today, but the thing is, okay, I think we may end up needing to do this twice so that we get gold.
Oh, okay, right.
One of the things that we really wanted people to sort of get to see today was just that, you know, everything that you play in the game you can create. So, you know, every one of these levels you can make. Right, so we all have to line up on the race team. Now when we get to the top here, we're going to get circuit and chase, so we have to keep out of the way the big, scary This level was made by a designer who had an idea. He wanted to create a level where everything would be able to come out. The idea was to get through it before the
The camera's not directly moving. There's no way you can like direct the camera or something.
You can actually have camera zones, yeah.
Okay.
I mean, there's several landings up and several using the
Yeah.
Yeah, we haven't shown a lot of that, but it's okay, you can record
Like the skateboarding and the bulldozing, are they sort of preset tasks like for mini games? And then you design around them. I mean, the designer who made the level, did he come up with the design?
Yeah, everything.
Oh, okay.
And as you play through the game, you can actually win elements from the level. So I'm not going to reveal whether or not you sell those yet, but what we really want to help people get over, like, you know, if they need a bit of help to start off the level, then make sure that they're winning things as they go through that will help them be able to create easily.
As a player are going to be able to create levels like these, for
Oh
example.
yeah, definitely. I mean, this is what the Junie is.
Okay.
And when you look at it, what this Junie is a level where there is something moving through. There's a lot of obstacles, strategic conditions, and there's a lot of points.
Yeah.
And so what we're doing is we're moving through it based on left to right. So, in fact, it's very simply put together level, but very effective because there's a lot of risk of corruption and danger, plus the fact that we're dying everybody. That's the beauty of it.